All right, well, we are
at the end of the first day of the Arizona Electric Festival here in Mesa, Arizona. Tony is getting ready to take the F-4 up again. The sun has just gone down below the horizon, so we're getting the full light effect on the F-4 this time. I said he's going to fly it a little bit milder than normal, simply because the sun has gone down.
It's getting dark.
Camouflage pattern for us. Nice mountains in the background.
Action out.
all right. Darn it! I just lost Pat's narration. I can't utilize it anymore. You're going to have to listen to my voice prattling on. So anyway, yeah. So as Pat, our buddy CRX man Pat said, we're here at the waning minutes of light at Arizona Electric Fest 2018 on Friday evening. We have Tony xplaneguy Accurso, and we have the brand new.
Okay, guys, taking off. Right to left.
Brand new F-4 Phantom. Just announced today. And
okay, high speed pass from the left over the runway.
And as you can see, this thing really hauls the mail. So any questions about its ability on a single fan ought to be squelched. So it needs to be seen to be believed, okay? And quite frankly, if you're watching this video, then you are seeing it. So it's a fantastic flying plane. The guys have been flying the wings off of it today. Tony's flown it several times. Vic Ace Mig Killer Chikchenko has been flying it. So yeah, it's really been putting on a show. So
Power off.
So yeah, there you go. It's a great looking jet. Freewing and Alpha Enos has worked very hard to capture the lines faithfully of the early model F-4. It's got the short nose, the pug nose F-4.
High speed coming in.
Yeah, that's just sexy. I'm sorry, but it just really is. So
high speed from the left.
You got the setting sun going on here. Yeah, this plane is just a wonderful flying jet. So
Slow
hey,
it down. It's power off here. Coming back down. Half flap. Super slow.
So here's the slow speed manner.
Slow pass from the left down the runway.
As you can see, it's very well mannered. And actually the camo kind of blends in with the background.
It's getting hard to see that.
It really does. It's like, oh, where'd it go? So
gear pass.
So here we go. We're getting ready to land her. Yep, got the gear down. We have 3 in the green.
Okay, landing. Okay.
Nice. Nice. All right, and another successful sortie of the Freewing F-4. It's a D model Phantom, and again, this is an early pug nose. It's got the short radium up front. Look at the lights. Look at the lights. Look at the landing light. Look at that slow burn on the tail. Nice. There we are. Look at that.